Whoops. Hello, I'm Carl and this is Procycle's Tech Talk. Here it is at the beginning of April and we're taking a look at getting our bikes prepped for big summer riding. A lot of us are going to go through, make sure we got fresh oil and filters, new spark plugs. We're going to take a look at a couple things that often get overlooked. First on the list is we're going to take a look at switching out our tire air, getting rid of the winter air and adding summer air. This is an important feature to do because summer air warms up quicker, performs a little better and lasts longer. We're going to show you how to check that air right now. We've already gone through the process of flushing out the old winter air. We took out the valve stem, flushed it out a couple times, make sure we got a good amount of summer air in there. Now we're going to check the pressure with our digital tire gauge. And you can see we're on the money where we need to be. A good quality digital tire gauge is important. They're extremely accurate and they're very easy to carry. The other thing you're going to encounter that's often overlooked is when you're out riding in the backcountry, sometimes you get less than ideal gas. We want to make sure you add an inline spark plug filter for your wire there to make sure you always get a clean spark, doesn't have any contaminants in it. This is something you want to do when you upgrade to a better quality spark plug also. Next on our list, we're going to take a look at making sure we got a good power band in our motorcycle. Often the power bands get weak, they get fatigued. It's time to switch them out and get a good power band for your bike. We've got the ones for Kawasaki, which also can be used on Suzuki, Honda, and Yamaha power bands. We want to make sure that we get a power band that's right for our bike. We don't get one that's too big, too small. We never mix brands and never turn a power band inside out to install it. Power bands are included in jet kits, carburetors, and exhaust systems, so make sure you get a new power band today. We also want to follow up with a really overlooked item is blinker performance. Turn signals sometimes get slow, the blink isn't as fast, and it's usually due to we got poor blinker fluid. We want to make sure we got an upgraded blinker fluid. The new stuff we have is synthetic. This is good for over 10,000 blinks. It also has extra left-hand blinks because you use that more than the other. The normal process of these is just to fill up the little blinker reservoir, but we found soaking your blinkers overnight does a lot better, so we want to take them out and soak them. You can also bypass all this looking at the new Procycle LED turn signals. These are a sealed system. They never need recharging, refilling ever for life. And that's what you want to take a look at, and you never have to worry about adding blinker fluid again. As always, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to give us a like and thumbs up and subscribe to our news channel, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And as always, your adventure begins here. Wow, that's some kind of blinker fluid.